Hi everyone at home, thanks for joining us. My name is Mike Jacobsen and I'm part of Emerson Swan's Applied Products Division. I'm here today to talk to you about one of our plumbing products, Dead Level Trench Drain by Watts. So Dead Level Trench Drain is exactly what it sounds like. It's dead level. So the trench drain is comprised of a polypropylene channel, which has good chemical resistance. You can find a chemical resistance chart in the Dead Level catalog. So you've got the channel and the ductile iron grate and frame. So the channels come in 4-foot modular sections with a male and female end, and they are pre-sloped. So they're shallow sections and deeper sections that connect to each other and form a trench that's going to flow in one direction. So we can have a trench that runs for hundreds of feet in one direction and terminates at one end. When it terminates, you either have a end cap with an end outlet, or each channel has its own bottom outlet. So you can have one bottom outlet at the end of the run, or you can have multiple outlets throughout the entire trench drain. If you don't want it to go in one direction, no problem. You can slope it towards the middle or have multiple sloped pitches throughout the entire run, wherever you want the outlet to be. So you have the 4-foot pre-slope sections, and then you also have 1-foot neutral sections that can be added to a run to get within 1-foot accuracy of your trench drain length. Adding in neutrals can also help you increase the overall run length. So to install this trench drain, you've got the rebar lugs here. Because it's pre-sloped, you simply install it at the same height and let the trench drain do its own slope. The frame here is going to evenly distribute weight, not just into the polypropylene channel, but also into the surrounding concrete. You've got the ductile iron grate and frame here, which has an extremely heavy-duty load rating. Can be good for things at airports or any type of traffic going over it. And if you don't need such a heavy-duty application, or you have other applications, it's also available with stainless steel or galvanized grate and frames, along with some other decorative options. If you're thinking about using trench drain on your next commercial project, please reach out to Emerson Swan. Thank you.